So last year I was asked to use the university repository to locate all my publications, which I did because I thought it was the right thing to do. I think as a publicly funded institution, most of the money comes from the government, comes from the public. We should be making our publications available to the public, and especially given UWC's history, it should be accessible to our students and anyone who wants to learn more about the world. So that's why I did it, and I think it was the right thing to do. But I also discovered that it's an excellent way of spreading one's publications. So I've linked my publications to online through academia and through LinkedIn. And it's been a brilliant method of disseminating a lot of my own research. So I think I'm asking you also to consider using the university depository because it's the right thing to do, but also because it's good for your own career. Thanks.